Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Popcorn Kit is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for popcorn machine enthusiasts, promising a more flavorful and convenient popcorn experience. This comprehensive review dives deep into what makes a popcorn kit truly exceptional, exploring various kits available on the market, examining their features, ease of use, and overall value to help you make an informed decision for your next movie night or family gathering. Number 5. Wabash Valley Farms Real Theater Popcorn. Get ready for a movie night experience like no other. Our popcorn kits deliver the perfect, fluffy popcorn right to your home, quickly and easily. It only takes 3 minutes to make a delicious batch of theater-style popcorn. Simply open, pour, and pop for a tasty treat. Each kit contains everything you need for a nostalgic popcorn experience, including popcorn kernels and butter oil. You get 5 complete kits in one pack. Enjoy it at home during family movie night, or take it with you for a fun and convenient snack while camping. It's perfect for any popcorn craving. This popcorn is designed for stovetop popping using a whirly pop or similar device. It's not intended for microwave use. What we like? It's ready in just 3 minutes. Each kit contains everything you need for a perfect batch of popcorn. If you're looking for a convenient and quick popcorn solution for movie nights or camping trips, this is the one for you. What people say. Comes with oil, salt, and kernels. Together they are the perfect combination. Great with the whirly pop. Cut it open, pour it all in, pops up in minutes. Perfect size for the stove-top popcorn maker with the crank. Spot on salt to oil to corn measurement and uses coconut oil just like the movie theaters do for the highest quality and best tasting popcorn. Number 4. Carnival King Popcorn Kit. Get ready for movie nights with the Carnival King Popcorn Kit. It's perfect for making delicious popcorn for you and your friends. This kit makes popcorn making a breeze. Simply follow the easy instructions and enjoy fresh, delicious popcorn in minutes. Everything you need is included in one convenient kit. No need to search for extra supplies. It's ideal for parties and gatherings. It makes enough popcorn for 8 to 10 people, ensuring everyone gets a share. This kit offers exceptional value. You get everything you need to make delicious popcorn at a fraction of the cost of buying individual items. This case contains 24 individual popcorn kits, perfect for resale or stocking up for your own popcorn needs. What we like? This kit has everything you need and comes in a bulk pack. It's perfect for large gatherings or events. If you need a large quantity of popcorn for a party or event, this is the best choice. What people say. Super easy, just cut the top, dump in the kettle and you have great tasting popcorn that is a perfect mix of butter flavor and spices. Easy to use packaging. The seasoning is right in with the popcorn. No need for salt or butter, the seasoning already has the flavor you want. Tastes just like the theater. So easy, everything is already in one pack. Just like going to the theater. Number 3. Gold Medal Mega Pop Popcorn. Get ready for a movie night experience like no other. It's the perfect blend of buttery flavor and satisfying crunch. This popcorn bursts with a rich, delicious butter flavor that will tantalize your taste buds. Each kernel is perfectly popped for a delightful crunch. It's the perfect snack for everyone. Enjoy it guilt-free, knowing it's gluten-free, dairy-free, and trans-fat-free. Each convenient 8-ounce package is perfect for sharing or enjoying all by yourself. It's the ideal size for any occasion. Sold in cartons of 36, it's perfect for stocking up for parties, family gatherings, or just keeping your pantry well supplied. You'll always have a delicious snack on hand. Our Mega Pop Kit has everything you need, popcorn kernels, oil, and salt, all in one convenient package. Just pop and enjoy. What we like? It boasts a delicious butter flavor and is free of gluten and dairy. It comes in a bulk pack, perfect for those who frequently make popcorn. If you prioritize taste and dietary restrictions, and need a large supply, then this is your best bet. What people say. The kernels are crispy and light, and the seasoning, but also color is excellent as well. Using this in my Paragon TP6 is amazing, and my wife likes it better than the theaters we had always tried to replicate. It's better than any other method we have tried: stovetop, air, other gimmicky units. This is great popcorn. I use it in my Whirl Pop and it is full when popped. And tastes just like movie theater popcorn. Number 2. Great Northern 8-ounce popcorn packs. These convenient packs are perfect for 8-ounce popcorn machines. Each one pops up to 2 gallons of delicious popcorn, enough for a crowd. Enjoy the classic movie theater popcorn flavor at home. It's the ideal blend of kernels, coconut oil, and butter-flavored salt. With 24 packs in this case, you'll always have plenty of popcorn on hand for movie night or any occasion. Simply open and pour the pre-measured ingredients into your machine. No measuring or messy spills. Each pack contains popping corn kernels, coconut oil, and butter-flavored salt. They're diacetyl and gluten-free, and each makes 32 cups of popcorn. What we like? It offers a gourmet movie theater experience from the comfort of your home. It's easy to use and mess-free. If you love the taste of movie theater popcorn and want a convenient option, this is for you. What people say. These packets work perfectly with my machine, allowing me to easily make great-tasting popcorn. They are easy to use, make the right amount and are very flavorful. Perfect kernel, butter, salt and oil ratio, pops perfectly every time. Perfectly portioned and easy to use. Tastes great. Number 1. Great Northern Popcorn Kit. Get ready for movie nights or parties with this convenient popcorn kit. It has everything you need for perfectly fluffy popcorn, every time. Each pack contains the perfect amount of kernels, oil, and salt. No more messy measuring, just pour and pop. One pack makes approximately 6 quarts of delicious popcorn, enough to share with everyone. It's perfect for large gatherings. Enjoy gourmet popcorn kernels, coconut oil, butter, and flavored salt for that perfect movie theater taste. These packs are perfectly sized for 6-ounce popcorn machines. They're easy to store and use. With these individual packets, there's no need for measuring cups. It's a simple, clean, and efficient way to make popcorn. Enjoy delicious popcorn that's free of gluten and diacetyl. It's a healthier and safer option for everyone. This case contains 12 individual popcorn packs, providing plenty of popcorn for all your events. Stock up and enjoy. What we like? It's an all-in-one kit that's perfect for smaller popcorn machines. It's easy to use and mess-free. If you have a smaller popcorn machine and want a convenient option, this is the one for you. What people say. Kernels are large and very few wasted. Oil and flavorings are measured out. Easy to use. The availability is the best part. Every time I need to order more, I have my order the next day. Minimal ingredients, movie theater quality and taste amazing. One bag makes enough for a family of 4 or 5. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.